Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial video for you guys today, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your Direct Express account. So having a Direct Express account basically helps you to manage your money more conveniently and also to secure all of your finances with the help of your mobile device. So if you want to get acquainted with this mobile banking service, I'm going to show you how the registration of this particular Direct Express mobile banking works. So for this, first of all, make sure that you've already downloaded the Direct Express mobile banking app on your mobile device and then open up the app. As soon as you open up the app, you will land on an interface that looks like this. In order to sign up for your account, tap on the sign up option that's in the very end. As soon as you tap on the sign up option, the first thing you have to do is you'll have to enter your card number in this section. So enter the card number as it is required, and then what you also have to do is you'll also have to verify yourself. So make sure that you select the particular thing and then tap on the next button. Once you tap on the next button, there will be a few more credentials that you'll have to give to Direct Express in order to finish signing up for your account. And once you're done entering all the correct credentials, you'll eventually get signed up for your account. So this is basically how it works. It's quite a simple process, and I hope that with the help of this video, you'll be able to sign up for your own account. If you do so, do let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share, subscribe to our channel, and also hit that bell notification so that you get reminded each time that we come up with a new tutorial video. Thanks for watching, you guys. I'll see you around next time.